Hello, young learners. Welcome back to our fun podcast. Have you ever picked up your toy, your clothes, or your water bottle and wondered what is this made of? Today we are going to learn about three cool materials: metal, plastic, and fabric. We'll touch, imagine, learn some facts and play a guessing game at the end. Let's go! Metal is strong, hard, and sometimes shiny. It feels cold when you touch it, and it's used in all kinds of things like spoon and forks, keys and bikes and cars, pots and pans. Let's pretend you're holding a shiny metal spoon. Is it heavy, smooth, or a little cold? That's metal. Fun fact, some metal can be stretched into tiny wires so thin they fit inside phones and computers. Yeah, can you find something metal around you? Maybe your chair legs or the zipper on your coat? Yeah. Now the second, plastic. Plastic can be hard or soft, clear or colorful, and smooth to touch. We use it every day for things like water bottles, toys, buttons, cups, and containers. Fun fact, plastic was first made over 100 years ago. Yeah, and today we can even make some plastic from corn instead of oil. That's better for the earth. Yeah, let's look around. Can you see anything plastic near you? Is it your toy car? A bottle? Maybe a crayon box? Yeah, now, third part. Fabric. Fabric is soft, warm, and cozy. It is in clothes, blankets, pillows, teddy bears, socks, and pajamas. Fabric can be smooth, fuzzy, or stretchy. Some is thick like a coat and some is light like a shirt. Fun fact, fabric can come from plants like a cotton or even animals like a sheep. Wool comes from a sheep's fluffy coat. Yeah, touch your shirt. How does it feel? What color is it? That's a fabric. Let's play. What is it made of? It's a game time and I'll describe something and you'll tell me what is it made of. It is shiny, cold, and strong. You eat cereal with it. What is it made of? Yes, metal. Good job. Now the second question. It is smooth and colorful. You play with it every day. What is it? Yeah, you got it right. Plastic. Now the third question. It is soft and cozy. You wear it or snuggle with it. What is that? That is right. Good job. Fabric. So bonus question. This thing is shiny and makes a loud clink. It helps your bike go fast. What is it? Yeah, it is a metal again. Good job. You did an amazing job. You learned how to guess what things are made of by thinking about how it feels, soft or hard, how it looks, shiny, fuzzy, smooth, what it does, bends, rolls, stretches. Fun fact, some things are made from more than one material, like your jacket. It might have a fabric body, a plastic zipper, and metal snaps. Thanks for exploring with me, young learners. Next time we will learn about more materials, like wood, glass, or paper. Until then, keep asking questions and wondering what is it made of. See you later, young learners. Bye bye.